Shout out to my regular customer. In this video, I will teach you how to repair Oppo a5s LCD replacement. Gently remove the SIM tray first. After that, hit the back cover every side to soften the glue. Now gently remove the back cover using metal guitar pick. Be careful to the fingerprint flex connector. Now disconnect it. Now remove all screw from the top to bottom. After removing all screw, now gently remove the middle frame. You may now remove the battery connector, motherboard connector, and flex connector. Now remove the battery and the adhesive support. Remove display flex connector. Using hot air, apply heat to the broken LCD on each side. Attach the suction cap. Now easy to remove the broken LCD using metal guitar pick. After removing the broken LCD, careful clean around the frame using brush or tweezer. Now apply glue B7000 every side. Slide the flex connector through the hole. Make sure applied properly. Finally install the new LCD. Now return the battery. Connect the LCD connector, motherboard connector, and battery connector. Return the middle frame. Connect the fingerprint connector. Return all screw from the top to bottom. Put B7000 around the middle frame. Be careful with the fingerprint flex connector. Now close the back cover and return the SIM tray. Remove the plastic screen protector. Power on. Now if you like this video tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.